Today I'm hoping to help you with something that's going to make your Audacity sound files sound just a little bit better. Maybe you're going to be recording some narration and maybe you're a little out of breath or you've got a cold, and between pauses or between sentences you have to take a breath, and you take a big breath like that, and you have to take another breath, and it's just a little bit louder than you would like. It's natural to take breaths. Everybody takes breaths. You don't need to go in and delete them all, but sometimes if they're big ones, they're just a little bit too distracting. So let's find out how to take those out. First of all, we're going to start recording a file. We've got Audacity open. Click Start. And we're recording. And we're going to take a pause right here. And we're going to take another pause. And between sentences, we're going to take one more pause because we just are a little bit out of breath. Okay, now we're going to stop. And I'm going to pull the file down because this is going to help you in editing. This is something else to expand your envelope. And we're going to zoom in just a touch. All right, I believe this is one of our breaths, so let's play it and see if that's it. That's it. So the best way to take those out in a natural way, to let's say not take them out, but to lessen them, we're going to select that. We're going to go to Effect. We're going to Amplify. That sounds like the opposite of what we want to do, doesn't it? But we want to hit Amplify. And where it says Amplification in that box, I have found that if you go to -20, it's going to sound a lot better. So we're going to go in and type -20. We're going to hit OK. And see, that has lessened, and it's going to sound a whole lot better here. And we're going to take another pause. And see, that's another big one. We can leave it there because we do have to breathe, but we don't want it to be that loud. So I've got that portion selected, and since I've already run the effect, I can just now hit Control-R. That's going to repeat that action. We'll play it. See, it's there a little bit, but it doesn't sound just so crazy loud like somebody's breathing right in your ear. And I believe this is my third one. And it is. So we want to take that out. We're also going to highlight and Control-R. Now, one more pause because we just see now we have a breath, and that's okay, but it just doesn't sound as loud and annoying. So hopefully that will help you make your Audacity sound files sound just a little bit better.